All right, let's get to a mad dash with Jim. We got 7 minutes before we get started with trading here. Lowe's reports fourth quarter sales and earnings. What do you think?
Marvin Ellison, go back and forth with him. This was an excellent quarter, particularly considering rates, although the rates have come down a little bit, and the lack of housing turnover, which has typically been the key metric. Because when there's housing turnover, you go to Lowe's and you tend to rehabilitate, you make it so you renovate. I was struck by the fact that the numbers of Pro are improving, because Lowe's is often thought of as do-it-yourself. We had good Pro numbers from Home Depot, good Pro numbers from Lowe's. Something could be on here, David. It is not as bad as feared. These two companies are excellent.
These two being this
Lowe's and Home Depot. They're just great. Marvin Ellison's fabulous.
That was my question. We heard from Home Depot yesterday.
And their numbers were good in this environment. Now, you got to look. I mean, if you looked at Home Depot or this, I mean, look, there were a lot of short money betting against these. I think that when you have a stock that goes down like this, you should rethink. But I liked them. That's Dan Ives. I've been doing a lot of Dan Ives imitations. Well, I think that, never mind.
I know. Well, he's got all those little puns.
I love Dan Ives.
Super Bowl of this, and
I love Dan Ives.
And
he's great. I post something about my daughter. He immediately retweets it within a second.
All right, but let's get back to Lowe's here.
Okay.
All right,
no,
but you've liked it. You've always liked it.
I've always liked. No, ever since Marv came in.
Right.
And the Home Depot team, Ted Decker. Look, these teams. Remember, these guys take a lot of share too from the there's still mom and pop hardware stores that they take.
Of course.
And remember, you're betting against now their Christmas season, which is going to be the garden season. Appliances still bad everywhere.